Okay, we're going down. We want it to come on at 40. There's the pressure switch for the contactor. Slow it down a little bit so nothing happens too sudden. There we are at 42. Okay, I want it to come on at 40, so I'm going to raise the cut in and cut out nut. This one. There we go. Right at 40, it's running. And then I'm going to raise just the cut out nut, this one, until it gets up to 60, and then I'm going to back it down. So this is the cut out nut. I'll turn off. And I can turn off the hose bib so things happen a little faster. There we are, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 58. There's 60. I want it to turn off right there. Perfect, 62. Okay, so every time I make adjustments on there, what I did was I loosened this until it did shut off. Every time I make adjustments, I want to run it one more time and watch it do it without me messing with it. So we'll turn it on. Down here at our test hose bib. So we got, this is cut in and cut out. Tightening it raises the on and the off. And this is just cut out. So tightening this raises just the off. And loosening it lowers just the off. Loosening this will lower the on and the off. So here we are, we're getting down. 44. So yeah, it totally was the discharge plumbing being cracked. This submersible pump still has a lot of life left in it. It's still really strong. Here we come to 40. It should suck in. There it goes. And then we'll shut off the hose to help the pump keep up. It can keep up with that hose too, but with the hose shut off, it's climbing even faster. There we are at 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, and right around 60, the pressure switch should open. There we go. Perfect. All right. See you on the next one.